Hello, everybody. We are happy to be here after the summer break, full of energy and ready to witness the fast evolution of Copilot 365. Despite the August break, we have some exciting news to share with you. The first one, now we have the possibility to integrate Bing Search directly in Word. Second, an improvement in Copilot ability to understand the time period. And last but not least, the possibility to work on our business data in Excel without the need of formatting the data as a table. Okay, now we are in Word. We open the Copilot window and we can see that from here now we can both make our prompt, we can prompting, but on the other side we can have also the chat history, or better we can chat with Bing search, and we will have also later a chat history that we will find also closing the document and opening it again, which is the huge benefit of this mix of prompting and web search, that we can create better documentation. We can have mix in the document of company data and fresh data, fresh content generated through a search on the web. And as you can see with this prompt, who won the Olympic gold medals in women's volleyball at Paris 2024? I'm Italian, so let's see if this search is updated in the result. Okay, wow. Italian won the Olympic gold medal in women's volleyball at Paris 2024. Now, let's make another example. We make another search. What were the top 10 cars sold in Europe in the 2023? Why? I'm going to make this search, but as you will see, we can have an answer. We have also the reference from where Bing Search has created this content, but we can't move automatically the content into the slide, into the Word file. So what we can do is to copy and paste this content on the Word file. So first news, we like it. Let's move forward to the second news. The second new feature, which is the improvement of the Copilot's ability to understand the time periods. Previously, Copilot couldn't understand terms like yesterday, 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, so it wasn't able to restrict the content generation to a specific time frame. Now it can. Let's see how we are in Copilot in Teams. We are saying, okay, make a summary of the emails I've sent to and received from, and we need to refer to the person. In this case, we're going to use these colleagues last April. Let's see what happens. It's combining all the content, and here is getting all the most important mails that we have exchanged during April 2024. Super. Now, lastly, a highly anticipated improvement that allows you to work with your business data in Excel without needing to transform your data in a table format. So, super useful. We click on Copilot as usual. As you can see, this is not formatted as a table. Now we make, as you can see, Copilot is working. The only condition is to have the autosave and the active, so show data insights. And as you can see, the system Copilot will give you back some visuals on starting from this dataset. Very, very, very useful and really awaited as feature. Okay, finishing up, we're going to see, okay, add to a new sheet. Okay, sheet 2, everything is here. So we are loving the new features that we have been released in for Copilot in August. Bye bye.